Welcome to an in-depth exploration of the lives of the farmers who cultivate mangosteen, an exquisite fruit often called the queen of tropical fruits. Join us as we journey through each stage of the process, from planting and nurturing to harvesting. This story is more than just an account of a fruit. It's a tribute to the love and sacrifices of those who have devoted their lives to these lush orchards in Asia. Mangosteen has become an emblem of tropical Southeast Asia, especially in countries like Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, and Indonesia, known for its delicate sweetness. The fruit is prized not only for its flavor, but also for its high nutritional value and health benefits. Mangosteen provides a rich source of vitamin C antioxidants that combat free radicals, reduce inflammation, and bolster the immune system. Thanks to these qualities, mangosteen is beloved across Asia and has a thriving export market in countries like Japan, South Korea, Europe, and the United States, helping to boost farmers' incomes, create jobs, and tie entire communities to the cultivation of this remarkable fruit. To nurture a healthy mangosteen tree, farmers must care for it meticulously from the very beginning. The process begins with seed selection, a step requiring experience and precision. Superior mangosteen varieties yield larger fruits with thinner skins, more pulp, and fewer seeds. Farmers select only the healthiest seedlings, inspecting them carefully. Once young plants begin to grow, preparing the soil is critical. The land must be cleared, organic fertilizers added to enrich it, and the soil kept loose and well drained. Mangosteen trees thrive in moist environments but are highly susceptible to waterlogging. So farmers must carefully regulate irrigation, keeping the soil neither too dry nor waterlogged. Mangosteen trees can live up to 100 years, but it takes about 7 to 10 years for them to mature and bear fruit. Caring for the plants is a lengthy endeavor, with farmers constantly monitoring the trees for even the slightest changes. Mangosteen trees are prone to pests, particularly molds and sap-sucking insects. Farmers often rely on organic methods to manage pests, using natural repellents instead of harmful chemicals, thereby protecting both the environment and the health of consumers. After months of toil, the mangosteen trees finally reach harvest time. The seasoned farmers eagerly await. The entire village comes alive, with everyone participating in the harvest. Because mangosteens do not ripen after picking, timing is crucial. Fruits are picked when they reach perfect ripeness, with skins turning a deep purple red. Harvesting is a delicate process. Even a minor scratch can reduce a mangosteen's quality. Hand picking is the traditional and still preferred harvesting method. Farmers use tools like sharp knives or pruning shears to carefully cut each fruit. Avoiding damage to the tree, they pick baskets full of mangosteen, placing them gently in larger crates for sorting. Even village children lend a hand, helping to inspect and categorize the fruit. The sight of plump, vibrant mangosteen fruits rewards farmers for their months of effort. Sorting the fruit comes next, where mangosteen is graded by size and quality. The finest fruits are set aside for export, while smaller or slightly scratched ones are sold domestically. This sorting process ensures each batch's quality, building a reputation for Asian mangosteen farmers in global markets. However, mangosteen farming isn't always smooth. Farmers face numerous challenges, from climate change to pest control and an unstable market. Weather significantly affects mangosteen quality and yield. If the rainy season arrives too early or too late, it can disrupt the growth cycle, leading to underdeveloped or unripe fruit. Another major hurdle is pest control. To protect their mangosteen orchards from pests while keeping them safe for both health and the environment, many farmers have opted for organic farming methods. They use natural pesticides from herbs or introduce beneficial insects like ants and spiders to control pests. Though safe and sustainable, these methods require patience and can be costlier. The market presents additional challenges, with mangosteen prices often fluctuating due to market demand and import regulations. When prices drop, farmers face significant losses, affecting both their income and the livelihoods of their families. Despite the hardships, a new generation of farmers is incorporating technology into their practices. Automated irrigation systems, organic fertilizers, and sustainable farming techniques are helping improve efficiency, reduce costs, and protect the environment. Additionally, international cooperative programs have taught farmers modern agricultural techniques, boosting both yield and quality. Moreover, the global shift towards organic and sustainable products presents new opportunities for mangosteen farmers. Consumers increasingly favor chemical-free, safe, and nutrient-rich produce, offering a promising future for these farmers. However, they must continue striving to enhance product quality and adopt sustainable farming methods to meet market expectations. We've now traveled the full journey, from planting to harvest, witnessing farmers' radiant smiles as they gather baskets full of ripe mangosteen, a testament to their love for their work and enduring perseverance. Each mangosteen fruit we enjoy is the result of their labor, sweat, and silent dedication. To the farmers who bring us this sweet and refreshing fruit, thank you. Let's appreciate and support them, ensuring that the journey of cultivating mangosteen continues to shine, not just across Asia but throughout the world. Far away, under the gentle morning sunlight, vast green fields stretch endlessly. In small villages nestled humbly at the foot of mountains, diligent farmers begin their new workday. The birds chirp happily in the trees, while the hurried footsteps of farmers head toward the fields, all blending into the peaceful melody of the countryside. But behind this tranquility lies a meticulous and challenging process. This year, the pumpkin season is the most important crop, and these farmers have poured their heart and soul into nurturing it, hoping for a bountiful harvest. Here, for generations, pumpkins have been a symbol of prosperity and luck. Not only are they a nutritious source of food, but pumpkins also carry each family's hope for a bountiful life. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's embark on a journey from sowing seeds, through months of care, until the moment these large, bright orange pumpkins are ready to be harvested. This isn't just a story about farming, it's a tale of patience, dedication, and a deep love for the land. The day of sowing pumpkin seeds isn't just another farming activity. For the farmers, it marks the beginning of a hopeful journey. They stand before the field, under the soft golden sunlight of early morning. Carefully and attentively, each tiny pumpkin seed is dropped into the fertile soil as if they are placing their trust and hopes into the earth. The elders in the village often say that sowing seeds is like planting faith. And with every seed gently pressed into the soil, they feel a deep connection to nature, to the heavens and the earth. Each pumpkin seed, though small, holds immense potential. They lie dormant in the ground, waiting for the first gentle rains and the warm rays of spring to begin sprouting. When the first tender leaves break through the soil, the farmers start their daily care routine, tending to them like their own children. Sweat trickles down their foreheads, and their footsteps tread softly on the supple earth. Each passing day sees the pumpkin plants grow stronger, yet they remain vulnerable to the harsh forces of nature. In every step, every daily task, the farmers aren't merely working for their livelihood. They are driven by their love for the land and their bond with every plant and blade of grass. There are nights when they worry about a heavy rain that might flood the fields, or scorching heat that could wither the delicate young plants. But their perseverance helps them overcome every obstacle, ensuring that the pumpkin plants remain lush and vibrant. And then, after months of waiting, under their meticulous care, the first pumpkin flowers begin to bloom. The bright yellow flowers, like little rays of sunlight, light up the vast green fields. A sense of pride fills the hearts of the farmers as they see these blossoms, a promise of an abundant harvest. Every pumpkin flower is a signal, a beacon that soon, large, plump pumpkins will emerge. But that's only the beginning. The days that follow are a continuous battle against the elements. The rainy season arrives, and sudden storms threaten to flood the fields. But the farmers are undeterred. They work together to build levees, dig drainage ditches, and protect each pumpkin plant from the rising waters. The entire field seems to beat in unison with their hearts. And every time they overcome a challenge, they feel even more connected to their crops. The first pumpkins start to appear. At first, they're small, green buds, but day by day, they grow larger, gradually turning a rich, vibrant orange. Each time the farmers witness their pumpkins swelling, they feel an indescribable joy, as if they themselves are growing alongside the plants. The day of the pumpkin harvest finally arrives. It's the moment every farmer has been eagerly awaiting. Though it's not without a sense of anxiety. Only after the harvest can they truly know that their efforts for the entire season have paid off. As the first rays of dawn illuminate the fields, the farmers begin the process of gathering their rewards. They bend down, carefully cutting each pumpkin from its vine with sharp knives. The large, round, golden pumpkins are gently placed onto carts. As they see the carts filling up with pumpkins, they smile brightly. It's a smile of happiness, of contentment after months of relentless hard work. There were moments when it seemed impossible to get through, but now, these pumpkins are living proof of their patience and dedication. The entire field buzzes with activity. Laughter and joyful chatter echo across the land. Groups of farmers work together, harvesting and sharing stories about the season. Their faces are lit with uncontainable joy as they see the fruits of their labor. For them, this isn't just a material gain but a source of pride and a belief in the power of hard work and unity. But the pumpkins' journey doesn't end at the fields. They continue on to the bustling local markets, where people eagerly await these treasures of the land. From the carts, the pumpkins are displayed on market stalls, each one shining with the promise of nourishment. The farmers, with their weathered hands, proudly present their products. They're not just selling a fruit, they're sharing a story, a tale of the long journey from seed to harvest. Shoppers come to buy the pumpkins, not just for their nutritional value, but because they understand the hard work behind them. Each pumpkin represents resilience, patience, and a love for the land. The harvest season ends, and the fields return to their empty state, but the joy and satisfaction linger in the hearts of the farmers. They've overcome countless challenges, protected their pumpkin plants, and now they stand proud of their achievements. Each season that passes only strengthens their love and connection to this land. The pumpkin season brings them not only income but also joy and belief in life's growth and renewal. And as the pumpkin season concludes, they begin preparing for new crops, with fresh hopes. But one thing is certain, the journey of growing pumpkins will always be an integral part of their lives. Let's take a moment to thank and appreciate the farmers of Asia, who bring us not just wonderful produce, but also a story of devotion to the earth. Thank you for watching all of our videos. Please give us one like, one share, one comment and one channel subscription.